Requesting all our guests to kindly take their seats, please. Once again, I would like to remind you to please ensure that your cell phones are on silent mode so there are no disturbances during the event. Also, once again, I would like to remind you that there are cameras behind capturing the special moment for us. So when the ceremony happens on the stage, we request you to remain seated, please. So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you. Let's begin this beautiful morning with a round of applause for all of you. We are here today to commemorate the listing ceremony of the company on the National Stock Exchange. Hello. So before we commence the ceremony, may I request all of you to rise up, please, for the national anthem.
Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Vanga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchchala Jaladhi Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you, everyone. Please take your seats. Well, Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited is one of the leading manufacturer of high-quality steel tubes and pipes. We target providing good quality products, ensuring customer satisfaction. All pipes coming out of our manufacturing facility conform to the specifications of Indian and international standards. Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited is the leading manufacturer of high-quality steel products in India with an aim to make a mark on the global scale. We deal with high-end mild steel tubes and pipes ranging from galvanized pipes to welded black tubes pipes which find application in domestic, agriculture and the industrial sector, etc. A state-of-the-art manufacturing facility is located at Raigad in the state of Maharashtra and Hyderabad, India, which currently produces high-end hollow section, GI and black pipes ranging from sizes of ½ inches to 8 inches and currently setting up a new plant in Orissa. Along with the newly expanded and modernized 8 inches pipe manufacturing unit, we have successfully elevated our production capacity to 2,20,000 MT per annum. That definitely deserves a round of applause. Strict adherence to the specifications of Indian and international standards makes our product rank high on quality meter. With a vision to provide GI and ERW pipe solutions to the industry standards across the country, Vibhor Steel Tubes Private Limited was established in 2003. Since then, the company's management has followed and continues to do so the basic philosophy of running a system that not only provides for its employees but also assists in the socio-economic structure of the industry and the country on the whole. That is definitely a proud moment. Quality is our uncompromisable trait and we are proud of our workforce that has inculcated it in every aspect of work at the company. And with the will to give it our best, we have set out our aim to make our organization harbinger of a change, ushering in economic growth and development, maintaining long-term sustainability, accepting all challenges in the first chapter in every success story, work towards turning the tide your way. And before we move any forward, let's have a look at the corporate TV. All eyes on the screen, please.
Welcome to Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited, your trusted partner in steel tube innovation for over 2 decades. As we embark on a new journey towards an initial public offering, we are excited to share our story of resilience, growth, and the vision that propels us forward. With robust manufacturing units in Maharashtra and Telangana, our production prowess is evident in every pipe we craft. Our commitment to quality has rewarded us with trust from clients across 10 countries. As a long-term production partner to Jindal Pipes Limited, our round pipes are sold under the brand Jindal Star across India and abroad. Our capacity to produce a diverse range of products is not just a number. It's a testament to our relentless pursuit of meeting the global standards of innovation and engineering. VSTL stands tall with a turnover that's consistently scaled new heights, achieving more than 1100 crore rupees in 2023. It's not just about financial numbers, it's about the value we've added to the steel industry, the jobs we have created, and the trust we have built with our stakeholders. Led by a visionary founder and backed by a formidable team, we are poised to expand our horizons. With new expansions in Odisha and Telangana, we're not just building pipes, we're laying the groundwork for a future where infrastructure and development go hand in hand. Our IPO is a milestone, marking the start of a new chapter, inviting investors to be a part of our growth story that's as strong and durable as the steel we produce. Join us on this transformative journey as we continue to build not just for today, but for a better tomorrow. Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited, innovating today, shaping the future.
On this momentous occasion of the listing of the equity shares of Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited on the NSE, we would like to welcome our esteemed guests with a bouquet. Please put your hands together for Mr. Sri Ram Krishnan, Chief Business Development Officer, NSE. Welcome, sir. Thank you for joining us on stage, sir. We have here with us today the leadership team from Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited. Please put your hands together for Mr. Vijay Kaushik, Chairman and Director, Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited. A very warm welcome. A very warm welcome to you, sir. We want to congratulate you on this beautiful occasion. Thank you, sir, for joining us on stage. And now please put your hands together for Mr. Vibhor Kaushik, Managing Director, Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited. A very warm welcome, sir. And thank you for joining us on stage. And now please put your hands together for Ms. Vijay Lakshmi Kaushik, Whole-Time Director, Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited. Hi. A very warm welcome to you, ma'am. Thank you for joining us on stage. And now please put your hands together for Mr. Vipin Agrawal, CEO, Khambata Securities Limited, Lead Merchant Banker. Welcome, sir. And Mr. Sunil Shah, Director, Khambata Securities Limited, Lead Merchant Banker. A very warm welcome to both of you. May we request you to stay back, please, as we will now commence this auspicious occasion with the lighting of the lamp, for which may I invite Mr. Sri Ram Krishnan, Chief Business Development Officer, NSE. Mr. Vijay Kaushik, Chairman and Director, Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited. Mr. Vibhor Kaushik, Managing Director, Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited. Ms. Vijay Lakshmi Kaushik, Whole-Time Director, Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited. And Ms. Pratima Sandhir, Whole-Time Director, Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited. Can we have all of you on stage, please? A round of applause for this auspicious beginning.
वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिः समप्रभ
वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिः समप्रभ
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
Thank you all for lending your hand to begin the event on an auspicious note. Request Mr. Sunil Shah to stay back, please. And now I will request Mr. Sunil Shah, Khambata Securities Limited, Lead Merchant Banker, to share a few words on this auspicious occasion. Let's give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for being here on this auspicious occasion of the listing ceremony. I'll be very brief, and I'll tell you, let me go back a little in the history. Year will be around 1987, 1989. There is a big conglomerate based out of Mumbai, listed on the markets, and have mobilized funds from the markets many times. When they came up with 700 crore issue, the company based out of Mumbai, merchant bankers based out of Mumbai, everything Mumbai. And there was a talk whether the issue will get good response or no. Well, of course, the issue passed through, and they could mobilize 700. Cut to 2024, Khambata Securities Limited coming up with an issue where the company, the chairman is the first generation of entrepreneur. The MD is the second generation. The company is not based out of Mumbai, but not even from a metro. But when we were, the issue size was 70 crore, we could mobilize 16,000 crore. A big round of applause. That speaks that Indian capital markets have evolved. The investors understand and value good promoters, good business, and good companies. So the success is due to all these factors. And of course, if there was no platform, how could the investors connect with the promoters and how could promoters mobilize these kind of funds. So NSE is providing that platform, much needed platform, where the entrepreneur of the country who are global standards, they can come to the market, raise funds, and the investors are there. So thank you, NSE. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, every investors, for contributing and to each one's role. Thank you very much. Thanks. Bye.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sunil Shah, for joining us on stage and for addressing the gathering. Let's once again give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. And with that, may I now invite Mr. Vijay Kaushik, Chairman and Director, Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited, and request him to address the gathering. Let's once again welcome him on stage with a round of applause.
थैंक यू। मेरे सामने बैठे हुए मेरे इन्वेस्टर्स और मेरे आदरणीय गेस्ट, सबका यहाँ पहुँचने पर मैं स्वागत करता हूँ। आपकी जो कॉपरेशन मुझे मिली है वो मेरी पास्ट हिस्ट्री पर आपने एक मोहर लगा दी है कि हमने अच्छा काम किया, अच्छी कंपनी को चलाया, अच्छे रिजल्ट्स दिए। इसलिए मैं पास्ट में नहीं जाना चाहूँगा, इतिहास पर नहीं जाना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि इतिहास तो आपने पढ़ लिया, देख लिया, समझ लिया, उसके हिसाब से आपने बड़ा अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स भी दिया है। लेकिन आगे के बारे में मैं ज़रूर चर्चा करना चाहूँगा। जो विश्वास आज इन्वेस्टर्स ने इस कंपनी पर दिखाया है, उसके लिए अल्फाज तो नहीं है मेरे पास धन्यवाद करने के लिए, लेकिन फिर भी मैं अपने दिल की गहराइयों से आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि आपने मेरी मेहनत, हमारी मेहनत पर मोहर लगाई है। और मैं एक बात और कहना चाहूँगा कि कोई भी इन्वेस्टर्स, मैंने कभी ज़िंदगी में शेयर नहीं खरीदा, मैंने कभी ज़िंदगी में शेयर का काम नहीं किया, मुझे मालूम नहीं था शेयर क्या चीज़ होती है। और जब मेरे पास कोमाटे सिक्योरिटीज़ के विपिन अग्रवाल जी आए तो मैंने एक शब्द कहा था इनसे, वो मैं दोहराना चाहूँगा इस महफिल में, इस सभागार में, कि मैंने कहा था कि विपिन जी, जो भी मेरे शेयर आप निकालें, सबसे पहला मेरा आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि मेरे इन्वेस्टर्स को फ़ायदा होना चाहिए। अगर मेरे इन्वेस्टर को फ़ायदा नहीं होगा तो मेरा इस शेयर निकालने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं, मेरी कंपनी में इस तरह के शेयर में आने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं। तो मुझे विपिन अग्रवाल जी ने वादा किया था कि आप मेरे पर विश्वास रखिए। मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि शेयर कितने पर निकालना चाहिए, क्या रेट्स होने चाहिए, लेकिन मैं ये जानता था कि मेरे इन्वेस्टर्स को फ़ायदा होगा, तभी मेरी कंपनी को मैं समझूंगा। मेरे कंपनी का शेयर निकाल कर लोगों के सामने जो रखा है अपना व्यू, वो मेरा व्यू, मेरी कंपनी का ताकत वो शेयर होल्डर ने मानी है, ये मेरा विश्वास था और मेरा विश्वास वो आज पूरा हुआ है। आज मैं आगे के लिए आप लोगों से एक वादा करके जाऊंगा इस मंच के माध्यम से कि जो विश्वास आपने मेरे अंदर दिखाया है, जो इस कंपनी के अंदर दिखाया है, जो इस प्रमोटर्स के अंदर आपने विश्वास दिखलाया है, उस विश्वास को मैं कभी टूटने नहीं दूंगा, कभी झुकने नहीं दूंगा। जो आपकी मेरे ऊपर आस्था है, उस आस्था को मैं बनाए रखूँगा, ये विश्वास देता हूँ। और शायद जो मेरी कंपनी उड़ीसा में आ रही है, वो मेरी कंपनी पे मुझे बहुत उम्मीदें हैं। और जब मैंने शेयर इशू निकालने की बात की थी, उस दिन इस उड़ीसा के प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में कोई बात नहीं थी, मतलब कोई दूर दूर तक नहीं थी, लेकिन हमारे जहन में, हमारे दिमाग में ये प्रोजेक्ट था। लेकिन खुदा की कुदरत मानिए, खुदा का हमारे पर समर्पण मानिए, हमारी मेहरबानी मानिए कि वो ज़मीन, हमारे को वो ज़मीन जो है गवर्नमेंट ने इस इशू के बाद अलॉट की, और वो ज़मीन अलॉट करने के बाद ख़रीदी, कंस्ट्रक्शन शुरू कर दी। आज वो कंस्ट्रक्शन इतनी ज़ोरों पर चल रही है, सब मशीनें 50% मशीन आ चुकी हैं, 50% मशीन आने वाली हैं। तो मैं आपको ये विश्वास दिलाता हूँ कि आने वाले समय में हमारा ये प्रोजेक्ट जो हमने सोचा है, 2 जनवरी को इसकी रजिस्ट्री हुई है, लैंड की रजिस्ट्री 2 जनवरी को हुई है। आज क्या तारीख है आपके सामने? 20 फरवरी है। बाउंड्री वॉल बन चुकी, शेड्स की फाउंडेशन हो चुकी, मशीनरी 50% पहुंच चुकी, 50% आ रही है। तो मेरा ऐसा विश्वास है कि फर्स्ट क्वार्टर के एंड में या सेकंड क्वार्टर के फर्स्ट में मैं आपको प्रोटेक्शन दूंगा, ये मैं आपसे वादा करके जाता हूँ। मेरी फैमिली में 4 मेंबर हैं। मैं हूँ, मेरा बेटा है, मेरी पत्नी है, मेरी डॉटर इन लॉ है, और हम चारों इस कंपनी से जुड़े हुए हैं। मैं प्रोजेक्ट्स भी देखता हूँ, मैं फैक्ट्री को भी देखता हूँ, मैं जाता भी रहता हूँ, मैं हैदराबाद भी, बॉम्बे भी, झारसुगुड़ा भी ट्रैवलिंग करता हूँ, सब काम देखता हूँ। बेटा पूरी मैनेजमेंट देखता है, पूरी प्लांट को देखता है, पूरी टेक्निकल, ही इज़ अ टेक्निकल पर्सन, तो ही नोज़ अबाउट टेक्निकलिटी। तो हम किसी भी फैक्ट्री को लगाने से पहले कितना पैसा खर्च होना चाहिए, उसके बारे में मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगा। इस मंच के माध्यम से, इस डायस से मैं कह सकता हूँ चैलेंज के साथ कि हिंदुस्तान की जितनी भी पाइप फैक्ट्रियाँ हैं, सबसे कम कैपेक्स में सबसे ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन, सबसे ज़्यादा हमने जो वैल्यूएशन की है वो हमने की है। तो मैं इस बात पर आज भी अपने आप को फ़ख्र महसूस करता हूँ। मेरा बेटा टेक्निकल देखता है, मेरी डॉटर इन लॉ सारी पेमेंट, जितनी पेमेंट्स है ऑनलाइन वो करती हैं। मेरी वाइफ जो है वो सब लेबर की, बच्चों का ध्यान, उनकी पत्नी का ध्यान, उनका ध्यान, सारी HR का मैनेजमेंट वो देखती हैं। इस तरह से सारी फैमिली जुड़ी हुई हैं। मैं आपको अंत में फिर मैं विश्वास दिलाते हुए कि आपकी उम्मीदों पर खरा उतरने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Let's once again give a huge round of applause for Mr. Vijay Kaushik for joining us here on stage and sharing his thoughts with all of us. And moving forward, may I now invite Mr. Vibhor Kaushik, Managing Director, Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited, and request him to share a few words on this joyous occasion. Let's welcome him on stage once again with a round of applause. Welcome, sir.
Hello, everyone. My father has already given a lot of details on who we are and how we work. There's not a lot for me to add to that, but I want to start off thanking the investment bankers for believing in us. The meeting happened 1.5 years ago, and as my father explained, that our intentions was that the investors should gain considerable by joining us, and this is what we've seen today. And more so, I want to thank from the bottom of my heart to the investors who have shown this phenomenal success of the IPO. And with that, I would like to thank everybody.
Once again, let's give a big hand to Mr. Vibhor Kaushik for joining us on stage and sharing his thoughts. And moving forward, may I now invite Mr. Sri Ram Krishnan, Chief Business Development Officer, NSE, and request him to share a few words on this occasion.
Very good morning to each and every one of you. Sri Vijay Kaushik, Chairman and Executive Director. Sri Vibhor Kaushik, Managing Director. Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Kaushik, Whole-Time Director. Sri Vipin Agarwal, CEO Merchant Banking Division, Kambata Securities. Sri Sunil Shah, Director, Kambata Securities, and all other distinguished dignitaries and family members present. Welcome to the listing ceremony of Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited. The company is engaged in the manufacturing of steel pipes and tubes to various heavy engineering industries in India. NSE is proud to welcome Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited to our family of listed corporates. Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited will be the 2,405th company to list with us. companies listed on NSE together have a market capitalization of $4.68 trillion. This is data as of the 19th of February. And from today onwards, Vibhor steel tubes will be an integral part of it. India is now the fourth largest market in the world in terms of volume of transactions, in terms of market capitalization after US, China, and Japan. In terms of volume of transactions, in fact, NSE is the world's largest exchange. On many days, we have more than 2,000 crore order messages and more than 20 crore transactions. The market capitalization of India has grown by about 96 times in rupee terms since NSE began its operations way back in 1994. It is a testament to India's entrepreneurial activities and the trust of its people in its entrepreneurs. India is also the largest market in the world with 8.8 crore unique PAN investors, 5 crore plus households, accounting for almost 18% of India's population directly investing in India's stock markets. The IPO of Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited with an issue size of 72 crores garnered an overwhelming response and was oversubscribed about 299 times. We are pleased to share that this is not only the most subscribed main board IPO in 2024 so far, but also the third most subscribed main board IPO ever. We hope that today's successful listing of Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited will inspire many more companies to look at public markets as a promising alternative. We at NSE are committed to facilitate fundraising opportunities for upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories and make capital markets more accessible. We hope that this listing day is a start of a strong partnership going forward between us. We'd like to congratulate the entire team of Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited, merchant bankers, Kambata Securities Limited, legal advisors, the PR agency, and various other stakeholders associated in the IPO for their accomplishment. And today's listing is a testimony of all the hard work. NSE once again welcomes Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited to the family and looks forward to supporting you in your future fundraising endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for addressing the gathering. And now, to commemorate the significance of this event, we will now have exchange of mementos. May I now request Mr. Sri Ram Krishnan, Chief Business Development Officer, NSE, to felicitate the following dignitaries with a memento. Promoters of Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited, and also give away the proud badges for all those employees who couldn't join us today. Please welcome Mr. Vijay Kaushik, Chairman and Director, Mr. Vibhor Kaushik, Managing Director, Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited. Can I also welcome Mr. Vipin Agrawal, CEO, and Mr. Sunil Shah, Director, Kambata Securities Limited, Lead Merchant Banker, to join us on stage. After this, can we have Team Legacy Law Offices LLP Legal Counsel? May we request you all to stay back, please? May I now request Mr. Vijay Kaushik, Chairman and Director, and Mr. Vibhor Kaushik, Managing Director, Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited, to present mementos to all the dignitaries of NSE. Please put your hands together for Mr. Sri Ram Krishnan, Chief Business Development Officer, NSE. So now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we all have been waiting for has finally arrived. Once again, I would like to remind you to stay seated as we have cameras behind capturing this special moment. A round of applause for Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited. So when the timer starts, I will request all of you to join me in the countdown from 10 to 1 with all the excitement and love. So we are only 20 seconds to the countdown. Are we all ready?
Please start the countdown.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited is now officially listed on the National Stock Exchange, and it marks a milestone in the corporate journey of the company. We are grateful to our host NSE, members of the board, family and friends, well-wishers, our shareholders, and all of you who took the time to come and join us here on this momentous occasion.
भविष्यवाणी सही हुई।
Thank you all for joining us on stage, and we have some more mementos to give away. May I once again request Mr. Vijay Kaushik, Chairman and Director, and Mr. Vibhor Kaushik, Managing Director, Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited, to kindly join us on stage. Please welcome Team Khambata Securities Limited, Lead Merchant Banker. Thank you all for joining us on stage. And now please welcome Team Legacy Law Offices LLP Legal Counsel. Team Legacy Law Offices LLP Legal Counsel. So stay back. We have some. Is Team Legacy Law here? Okay, can we have Mr. Ashok Goyal and Team Statutory Auditors, Ashok Kumar Goyal and Company? Next, can we have Team KFin Technologies Limited, RTA, to the issue? Next, can we have team Axis Bank Limited, public issue bank to the issue? Yeah. After this, can we have team Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited, cash escrow bank to the issue? After this, can we have team Nikunj Stock Brokers Limited, syndicate member to the issue? Team Nikunj. Can we have Mr. Ritesh Zagade from Adbaz Management Services Private Limited? After this, can we have Mr. Rakesh from Fortuna PR? After this, can we have team Western Press printer to the issue? After this, can we have team Axis Bank Limited banker to the issue? Next, can we have team HDFC Bank Limited banker to the issue? NSE will now present a memory picture of the listing ceremony to the company. Thank you so much for doing the honors. And thank you so much for joining us on stage. And once again, many, many congratulations to the entire team. And may I now invite Mr. Vipin Agrawal, CEO, Khambata Securities Limited, to propose the vote of thanks. Let's welcome him once again on stage with a round of applause.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to be part of this issue, Vibhor Steel Tube Limited, and part of the team Vijay Kaushik. We made a history today. Any issue who is listed at highest premium, issue price was 150, it got listed at 425, more than 200% premium. First record Vijay Kaushik made when it was oversubscribed by, he stood third. वो थर्ड में मजा नहीं आ रहा था इनको कि फर्स्ट आना है. तो टुडे ही केम फर्स्ट व्हेन द ओपनिंग प्राइस वाज द हाईएस्ट प्रीमियम. At this occasion, I would like to thank Salim Javed, में से सलीम हुई चंदन मिश्रा of our team. उसके एफर्ट के बिना ये पॉसिबल नहीं था. ही दूसरे जावेद जो हैं वो फॉर्चूना टीम, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. आई एम रियली थैंकफुल दी फॉर्चूना टीम. आई ऑल्सो विश टू थैंक मिस्टर अनिल जैन, CFO of the company, who provided all the details at the right time and did not get irritated with our questions. Thank you to him. And top of them, I offer my thank to the investors who repose so much faith in the company and the business. Thank you all. Thank you.
Once again, thank you so much, Mr. Vipin Agrawal, for joining us on stage. With this, we come to the end of the ceremony. Thank you all for joining us today. And once again, congratulations to the entire team of Vibhor Steel Tubes Limited. And please do join us inside for the refreshments. Thank you.